Hey, guys! Can you believe the explosive growth of YouTube channels in 2024? It's insane, right? Well, today, I'm going to share with you how I would start my own YouTube channel in this booming era. Get ready for an exciting journey ahead. So, you might be wondering, why start a YouTube channel in 2024? Well, let me tell you, the opportunities and challenges in the current landscape are unlike anything we've seen before. With millions of viewers hungry for content, there's never been a better time to dive into the world of YouTube. Presentation of problem/challenge, but let's address the elephant in the room, the saturation of content on YouTube. With so many creators out there, it can be tough to stand out and make your mark. So, how do you cut through the noise and capture the attention of your audience? That's the challenge we're facing, but trust me, it's not impossible to overcome. Exploration/development. To tackle this challenge, you need to delve into strategies for niche selection, content planning, and audience engagement. Finding your niche is crucial, it's what sets you apart from the crowd. Then, you need to plan your content carefully to keep your viewers hooked and coming back for more. And of course, engaging with your audience is key to building a loyal fan base. Climax/key moment. Now, let me share a personal anecdote with you. When I first started my YouTube channel, I was unsure if I could succeed in such a competitive space. But through hard work, dedication, and a sprinkle of creativity, I managed to grow my channel and connect with amazing viewers like you. It's moments like these that remind me of the incredible rewards that come with YouTube channel creation. Conclusion/summary. In conclusion, starting a YouTube channel in 2024 is both thrilling and challenging. Remember, passion, consistency, and innovation are the pillars of channel growth. Stay true to yourself, keep pushing boundaries, and success will follow. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey with me? Call to action, CTA. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more content, and share it with your friends. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to drop your channel ideas or experiences in the comments below. Together, we can conquer the world of YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.